Hi there, I'm Ali from Dragon Fitness Coaching and Healing, and I'm a naturopathic practitioner, and I'm here to tell you about an upcoming or two upcoming talks that I've got about entitled How to Be Well. And I think this is so important right now, how to be well naturally, without using any drugs, without using anything unnatural. And so many people are coming down with colds and flus that last forever. And there are very good reasons for that, and I'll talk about that at my talk itself, and I'm going to talk a little bit about that at my other chlorine dioxide and DMSO webinar that I'm doing this coming Saturday, 21st of October. And so it's entitled How to Be Well. I'm going to run two dates, which are going to be the 2nd of November at 1 p.m. Now, the talks are based in Sai Kung, so if you're based in Hong Kong, get yourself to Sai Kung. I'm going to have one at lunchtime one at 1 p.m. on the 2nd of November, and another one on Tuesday, the 7th of November at 6:30 p.m. So it's going to be exactly the same topic. I'm just running it at different times to capture as many people as I possibly can. It's going to be 150 Hong Kong dollars, so not very much. It's just a nominal amount, and it's going to be at 3 Tai Mong Chai Road. So really easily accessible from Sai Kung Town. So the things that I'm going to be talking about are all the kind of 101 things that so many of us don't do as well as we should do. And these include, what to eat, what exercise to do, how much to exercise, how much water to drink, what water to drink, what type. What else am I going to be talking about? I'm going to talk about managing stress. I'm going to be talking about natural protocols that you can use in your daily lives, and what to do if you come down with a flu or a cold. What is the best way to manage it rather than running off to the doctor and getting back in a little bag of pills. So I'm going to be talking about all of that. And my aim really is to give people lots of information about how to really, look after their own health rather than worrying about going to the doctor all the time. And giving people an alternative as well. Some people might have chronic health conditions or be currently taking drugs and might not like all of that. They might not like the side effects. They might feel that their health is getting worse, every day or every week. So I'm basically here to say there are alternatives. You don't have to do what the mainstream says. So I'll put the details below so that you can book, and as always, if you've got any questions, then do give me or drop me an email, ali@dragonfitnessandcoaching.com. All right, thanks a lot. See you soon.